Hello buddies, and my name is Isaac, and good afternoon to you, and welcome to my videos today. And in the world, and more people worry about the concrete material to produce the blocks, because the expense, the cost is too high. Because like the sand increased every day. So more and more people try to find out a new material to produce the bricks instead of the concrete blocks. So like the soil bricks, come up to the people. The people try to use the soil and mixing together with the cement and with the sand, or maybe with together with stone dust to produce the soil bricks. And also at the same time, because they worry about they are only use the cement and the soil, maybe the quality of the bricks is not so quality. So they design the bricks to be the interlocked. So when if the bricks to be the interlocked, the advantage for the bricks have two. One is it's more easier for the people to build a wall, to build a house, and the second one, it can save the money for the compared with the concrete materials. And in my background is one Volumetric soil hydraulic interlocking brick machine. It's powered by hydraulic, and it can compress the bricks with the hydraulic compressor instead of the manual. And over here you can see is the soil interlocking bricks is produced just by our machine. Like this model, this type of the soil bricks is called a hydroform. You can see there's this one, the top on top. And also, at the downsides there will be, the female, interlocked, and here is also, and this part and this part will be interlocked. So it's called hydroform. Hydroform is very popular used in Africa, and now the more and more countries try to produce hydroform bricks. Yeah. And by changing different modes, you can produce different types of the bricks, like this one, with different holes. There are two the circle holes, and the diameter we can design for you. We can fabricate it for you. And like this one is 50 millimeter. And also the square holes, we also can design the special size for you. So why they design the holes? It can fill the steel inside. Also can fill you to put the water pipes inside. If you build a house, normally it requires you to feed a water pipe and steel, even the wires, electrical cables. And like this one is the U shape, right? It's U shape. This one is U shape bricks. Normally this kind of bricks will be normally used where? Used on in the location of the window. So you can put the steel by here, or the electrical wire, or the water pipes, here. And also this one is also hydroform design, but the size, the width is 200. Is 200. So what I mean is the bricks the size and dimension can be changed by as your requirements. Yeah. And you can see the bricks. It's very nice. You can feel the density of the compressor. It's very strong, very huge. Yeah. 别太快了。Okay. And now please give me some time to introduce my machine. This one is HR2-10, the fully automatic hydraulic soil interlocking brick machine. It's controlled by this controller, and we will we will program all of the technician data inside the computer. So, and also before we deliver the machine to you, we will fix all the information, technology information inside of this the diagrams. So after you receive the machine, you only need to connect the wire and the keyboard with the power source, and you can start to use it. It's an automatic one. And also the time you want to test or adjust the machine, there are the volume for the menu and alter, volume and menu and alter. So you can put on switch on the menu. So I try to to test the mode, like the mode, right? And also this particular brick machine is our updated models. I want to tell you where we improved, like the hydraulic. The hydraulic pump, we enlarge this, and before it's only 80 mm. Now we use 150. And also, and before is a handle to handle the mode, to offer the mode. But now we take use another hydraulic pump, yes, to try to press and lift up, to press. And like the bricks, the bricks, normally the height of the bricks is 100 millimeter. But if you only use the top hydraulic pump to compress, that means the density of the bricks, the top bricks area is okay, it's fine. But if you don't have this hydraulic pump, that means the downsides, the down area of the bricks cannot get enough compression. It's very soft. But now with the two hydraulic pump, one top, one down, it can be the two hydraulic pump will be compress the bricks at the same time. So the whole bricks will be get enough density and compression. It's our improved technology. And also, sorry. And like this one, we take and before after the bricks is produced, normally will be push the bricks out. So sometimes the down bricks area will be broken, right? Will be broken. So the bricks will be get broken. But now with the requirements from our customer, we design this one is our patent, is our design patent. With the air compressor, so it will be supplied air inside here, right? Inside here. So it will be enlarge and try to handle the bricks, and push out, like they will handle the bricks, will be handle, compress, and handle the bricks and push out. So the bricks will be not broken by the down mode, okay? And this one is the air compressor. It's a little dirty, no problem. It's a little dirty. It's air compressor. 这个吧。看这。Okay, this air compressor is supplied air, supplied air to the machine. It's to a machine. And this one is waves. This one waves is our new design. It's our design patent. You can see here. So all over here, no need to be changed. We will fix here, and we will fix here. That means after you receive the machine, that's not necessary for you to do any adjustment. It's just here. Okay. And also the motor, you can see we also enlarge the power. now it is 11 kilowatt. It's kilowatts. 11 kilowatt kW. We also enlarge the motor, and also the pump. You can see now the pump. We also enlarge the pump. So that means with all of the enlarge the motor, electric motor and pumps, it can be supplied to you more power to compress the brakes. That's why you see our brakes can be support a human body after produced immediately from the machine. Even they are wet, no curing, so it's very solid and strong. It can support a human body. So and all of the electric sensors, the diagrams will be fixed here. You see this one no need change. It will be supplied a signal to the sensor from the controller to the sensor. It's also will be connected with the wire from the mode and processing. The mode how to say it, the top mode go down and the down mode go up. And also for the material card, the material card is also powered by hydraulic pump, and to press like this one, the sensor is control the sensor, the signal. Yes, like sensor. Sure. So it's our new updated how to say, the models of the soil interlocking hydraulic brake machine. You can see the machine frame, the machine body frame is more stronger than before. That's why we have the confidence to make the good introduction for you people to understand. So if you require to try to produce the soil interlocking brakes, and welcome to leave an inquiry to our company. And we have a very good sales manager, and to try to supply the good service for you to understand each mode. And today we also test 4 different types of the brakes, and by another day we will try to test another six different types of the brakes, because this customer order 10 pieces different types of the brakes with only one brake machine to produce. Okay, buddies, and thank you for your valuable times to watch my video. If you like my video, please remember to subscribe my channel and leave your comments on my videos, and leave any question. Then we'll be very pleased to get your inquiry and leave your comments. Thank you. Oh, okay. By the way, this customer who bought our brake machine is from India. It's our good customer, and also it's the first time for him to make a business with our company. But it's because of the believership. Because of the coronavirus, he didn't come to our factory to inspect the machine, but he trusts us. Our company is a trustable company for everybody to know that we are the professional manufacturer for the block machine and brake machine. Yeah. Thank you, sir.